Are you tired of shouting into the void of social media, hoping your small business will be seen and heard? Well, have you considered launching a newsletter? It's like having a megaphone for your brand, but without the annoying feedback. Hey there, welcome to this video about how to launch a newsletter for your small business. I'm your host and I'll be your guide through the world of email marketing. Trust me, it's not as scary as it sounds. Let's start with the basics. Why should you even bother with a newsletter? Well, for starters, it's one of the most effective ways to build a relationship with your audience and keep them engaged with your brand. It's also a great way to promote your products or services and drive traffic to your website. And let's face it, who doesn't love a good deal? One of the biggest advantages of having a newsletter is that it allows you to communicate directly with your subscribers. Unlike social media algorithms that can bury your posts, your newsletter will land directly in your subscribers' inboxes, giving them a chance to interact with your brand on a more personal level. In addition, a newsletter can help you establish yourself as an authority in your industry. By providing valuable content that educates and informs your subscribers, you can position yourself as a trusted source of information and build a loyal following of customers and fans. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of launching your newsletter. First things first, you need to choose a goal for your newsletter. What do you want to achieve with it? Is it to promote your products or services, build your brand awareness, or establish your authority in your industry? Once you have a goal in mind, you can start crafting your content strategy and tone. Next up, you need to choose an email marketing service. There are plenty of options out there, but we recommend starting with a simple and user-friendly platform like MailChimp or Constant Contact. These platforms offer customizable templates and automation features that can make the process of creating and sending your newsletter a breeze. After you've set up your account, it's time to build your email list. This can be done through opt-in forms on your website, social media, or even at your physical storefront. Just make sure you have your subscribers' permission to email them and provide valuable content that they'll actually want to read. And finally, it's time to create and send your newsletter. Make sure it's visually appealing, easy to read, and provides value to your subscribers. Don't forget to include a call to action to encourage your readers to take the next step, whether that's visiting your website or making a purchase. Now that you've launched your newsletter, now that you've sent out your newsletter, how can you make sure it's successful? Here are a few tips and tricks to keep in mind. Consistency is key. Set a schedule for your newsletter and stick to it, whether that's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. This helps you build trust with your subscribers and keep them engaged with your brand. Segment your email list based on demographics, behavior, or interest to provide more targeted and relevant content. This can help improve your open rates and click-through rates, leading to better engagement and conversions. Experiment with different subject lines, content formats, and call to actions to see what resonates best with your audience. This can help you refine your content strategy and improve your overall performance. The next thing you need to do is use analytics and metrics to track your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Most email marketing platforms offer analytic tools that can help you track your open rates, click-through rates, and other metrics that can give you insights into what is working and what is not working. Don't be afraid to ask for feedback from your subscribers. You can include a survey or a poll in your newsletter to gather feedback on your content design or any other aspect of your newsletter. This can help you improve your newsletter and better serve your audience. Launching a newsletter for your small business may seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategy and tools, it can be a powerful tool for building relationships with your audience, promoting your products, or services and establishing yourself as an authority in your industry. Remember to set a goal, choose a user-friendly email marketing service, build your email list and provide valuable content that your subscribers will love. And most importantly, have fun with it. I help businesses and entrepreneurs launch and grow successful newsletters that engage and build an audience interested in your business. I offer newsletter design and setup, customized growth strategies, high quality content creation, targeted subscriber lead generation, and regular analytics for your newsletter. A newsletter will help you build a stronger relationship with your current clients and grow your business by promoting your products and services and signing new clients from the newsletter. Additionally, you can earn advertising revenue from newsletter sponsors. If launching or growing your newsletter is something you may be interested in, book a call with me on socialytics.com, which is linked in the description. Good luck with your newsletter launch and thanks for watching.